A TRX squat to lunge, sometimes called a TRX, squat plus reverse lunge combo, is a powerful lower body exercise that mixes the strength and depth of a squat with the unilateral balance challenge of lunges. Here's a clear guide for you. How to do TRX squat to lunge. 1. Setup. Adjust the TRX straps so the handles hang around mid-length. Stand facing the anchor point, feet about hip-width apart. Hold the handles with a light grip, elbows bent close to your sides. Lean back slightly, keeping tension in the straps. 2. Movement. Step 1. Squat. Lower into a squat by bending at your hips and knees, chest tall, weight in heels. Use the TRX straps for balance, not to pull yourself up. Step 2. Transition. From the squat, push through your heels to stand. As you rise, step one leg back into a reverse lunge. Lower your back knee toward the ground, keeping your front knee stacked above your ankle. Step 3. Return. Push through your front heel to return to standing. Repeat. Squat, stand, lunge with the other leg. Continue alternating lunges after each squat. Muscles worked. Quadriceps, front of thighs. Glutes, butt. Hamstrings, back of thighs. Calves, stability. Core, balance and posture. Tips. Keep your chest lifted. Don't collapse forward. Avoid pulling with your arms. They're only for stability. Move slow and controlled to improve balance. Start with body weight depth, then increase squat depth or lunge reach for challenge. Variations for advanced fitness. Jump squat to lunge. Add a jump at the squat, then go straight into the lunge. Single leg squat plus. Lunge combo. Do a pistol squat on one leg, then step back into a lunge. Weighted TRX squat to lunge, hold. A dumbbell or kettlebell while performing the movement.